Hey, what's going on? It's Jason with Intricate Coatings here in Nevada, right next to Lake Tahoe, doing a beautiful 3-car garage. And today's project will encounter obviously the epoxy, and we are filling these joints. We're doing a 1-inch cove, so this is going to all be hidden, nice and seamless. Stick around, check it out. As beautiful as the view, I'm never going to get anything done by watching that. Let's get to work. Jason with Intricate Coatings. Just finished this 3-car in beautiful Lake Tahoe. Now this is 1/4-inch tuxedo and high gloss shine with the 1-inch cove base system.